Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. Wanted to put out this quick video since GoPro officially released the all-new Hero 9 and 10 battery called the Enduro. If you were not aware, GoPro had announced creating a new battery that's supposed to get a lot more battery life in your recordings and a better experience, and there are some advantages even for the 10. This evidently will not work with the Hero 8, so you'll need to upgrade your GoPro Hero 8 to either the 9 or the 10. So a couple of things for the new battery. It's a 1700 milliamp battery, just as the original one as well. So something to be aware there. And as far as recording time for both the Hero 10 and 9, it's supposed to help there, but you're supposed to get a 40% improvement in the Hero 10 Black using high performance settings. And this battery is also made to help people that are in extreme cold temperatures. So that's going to really be a help to especially those skiers and those adventurers that get into those very cold climates. And again, I just wanted to put this video out. You'll be able to see some of these stats, but it does look like it's going to improve things significantly, especially here with these numbers. So you can see 5.3K 60 frames in 60 minutes is 28% improvement. 4K 120 is a 40% improvement. 4K 60, a 13% improvement in 1080 30 120 minutes. So it's $24.99, and I got it for less because I'm part of their program, and so it was even less than that. So there you go. Wanted to share this with you. Go check it out today. Get your Enduro battery ordered, and look forward to sharing the review on comparing the new Enduro to the original batteries. All right, everybody, have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.